Hi guys, here we have a Ryobi touch start PetrolTrimmer. That's the actual trimming head there, and this is the engine side with the electric motor starter. Sorry, beneath that yellow panel, and these are the switches to actually start it up. And as you can see in the middle here, we've got a battery pack, 12 volts. First problem I find, it cannot crank it at all. It's completely stiff here. The pull cord does not pull because it's seized somewhere. The air cover's missing. It's been messy in here. And if you have a look at close up here where the fuel line is, you'll see the fuel line's actually split also, which will cause a problem. So what I'm going to do is dismantle the unit. First I'm going to remove the starter motor, which is inside this yellow section here. That's the starter motor removed. I'll show you inside there. And as you can see here, still can't move it. Cannot crank the engine at all. It's seized. So I'm just going to undo these plastic panels, just a bit of spray, bit of WD-14 here, and then just unscrew all of the plastic covers. Here you can see me just removing the boom. And here I'm just removing the front cover, which incorporates the cord pull. I'll show you here. And here you can see me just removing the clutch assembly and the washer that goes behind it. Just put them to one side for a minute so that I can show you inside here. The pull cord is working fine, but because the engine seized it, I couldn't pull it. Just remove the spark plug here and just remove this crank assembly. And if I just undo these screws here to access the crankcase. To show you inside here, this is inside the crankcase. This section here, rusty and wet, not good. And let me just show you inside the crankcase here, full of water for some reason or another. This must have been left outside. It was a car boot, bought it from a car boot sale, and it must have been left outside because inside of the engine is full of water and it's seized. That's why I couldn't crank the engine. I'll just tip this water out, rusty water, just to show you. That was all inside of the engine. So someone's obviously left it inside their garden or something. The weather's got to it somehow. And then here you can see me just removing the cylinder head from the crankcase. That's the crankcase here. It's free. It's not seized. can see the piston. You can see it's seized into. It's like it's rusted into the cylinder. So you have to look at freeing that. And with that, that's the end of part 1. So until the next time, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.